Hey guys, Adrian here. Today we're taking a look at Puzzling Cubes. Puzzling Cubes is a free application, free game available on the iPhone and available in general on iOS and on Android. So you can find it on either platform, which is really great. And it's a great little puzzle game. It's called Puzzling Cubes, and essentially the point is you have to get from point A to point B by putting a cube on point A to open up point B. So in this example, you can see here, if I step on this little button right here, it activates the door for allowing me to get into level 2. Now the way I can actually the only way I can actually put weight on this while going through the passage is only through putting a cube on it, and I can push cubes around here. So this is early level, this is level 1. You can see here the interface is pretty simple, which I really like. Very, very simple interface, and basically it is, you can, bottom right, you can mute the sound. Bottom left will complete the level for you, essentially, or show you a hint. Top right, you can go through the levels. You can see here I've played a couple already. And the top left, you can see here if I mess up, for example, I can restart by clicking the top left and automatically restarting. And if that actually goes for if I accidentally mess up, like let's say I push off cubes that I don't even, I didn't want or needed, I can restart right away. So you can see here right away, I'm just going to go ahead and show you some examples. There's so many different ways, which is so cool about this, is that you can really find out different unique ways to put cubes on the platform, and whether it's using one certain cube or pushing off other cubes, there's different ways to do it per level. And by the way, moving around is very simple too. Just swiping, just swipe once to walk one, swipe once in any direction to walk a cube, and it's really, really simple, really, really easy. You can see here now I'm on level 2. So for example, level 2, I can do a couple of different things too. So you can see here, when it's double cubes, it's kind of stacked, and I actually can't get through. So you can see here I messed up in this case, and now I'm blocked. So I actually have to restart the level on level 2. So you really want to think about your strategy before you go ahead and do anything. That way you don't really, because one bad move can really mess you up in the long run. So you can see here, again, I've played this level. There's always multiple ways around these levels, and you can see going through here. And then as you go on, obviously it's going to get harder and harder. In this case, you have an indent, so you have to fill the indent in order to get to the platform. So in this case, for example, you can see once I put a cube down, it falls into place. And then I can move up, and then you can see I have to move something there. So you can see maybe I have to go over here, go over, and then push this one cube all the way over here. And let's see here, move this out the way and push it on. And then you can see there I can proceed to the next level. And then in this case, same thing. I have that issue where there's a gap in between, so I need to find a way to get across with using the maximum number of cubes that's available. Because you can see here, you can actually accidentally push cubes off into the space. So if you mess up, then you're gonna have a problem there. So there's gonna be a lot of times where you might have to reset the level essentially and do it a different way, which is really awesome. I think it adds on to that whole puzzle feeling because you really gotta do it right, and you have to use the cubes in a right order, or else you're kind of left. In this case, you can see here, I can't move forward until I find a way to move off another cube. So, I mean, again, that's just a variation of the game. You can see a variation of the levels, I should say. There's so many more. You can see all through here. That was only level 4. There's so much more, so much different obstacles that you're going to encounter, bigger gaps. And it's fun because it makes you think, and it makes you really see different ways to kind of put down these cubes and lay them out, and then you think you have it one way, and then you realize you push the one cube off the edge. That's what's really great about this game. Again, there's tons of levels in here, and you can see here, and it's all free. That's what's so great about it. Puzzling Cubes, and it's available both on iOS and on Android. So whatever platform you're on, this is definitely a game if you're into those based games. And it's free. It's easy to control. Again, just swiping whatever direction you want to go, and 4 simple buttons. Very easy, clean interface, which I really enjoy about it as well. So check it out, guys. Puzzling Cubes in the App Store today. Thanks for watching.